y'all. Believe me. I need to learn the spawn points. So over here. Okay, let's go. Please. Who's here? Oh shit. My bad, honey. Run! What? Okay. Oh, prisoner here. Ah! Where is he? Come here! I bet you like palace. Oh shit, he got a cat. What? I thought he wanted in that. Let's go get him. Oh my god! I didn't fucking. In my game. Leave me alone now. Come here! Move, journalist! Bitch! Oh, hell no, bitch. Where's my little door? My little door. Here we go. You can't escape from me! Oh man, who's here? Please, it's not the crayon. Please! Please, someone else. Who is it? No? I hear someone decoding. Hello? No. I see you, bitch! Yo! Who y'all here? Oh! I thought I could make that. This girl. Get out of here. Ah! Yeah. Oh, girl. I really. Oh. Oh. You know what? I don't care. Come at me! Come at me! Yeah! Oh no. Never mind. Don't come at me. Please. Hit her! Hey, hit somebody. You're lying. It is not. I didn't see no damn cipher wiggling. Where is she? Who do I want? Who do I want? I want you. Who's here? Who's here? Who's here? Who's here? What? Already? You're joking. It's okay though. Damn. I can dance someone. Doctor Strange story. Man, I don't even know who's my what. Who is Nia? Who is Nia? I don't know. Oh, crow. Enchantress. Meow. Oh shit, I suck. I know. Tell me twice. Yo! Okay, I got it. Kitty, go! Kitty power! Go get her! Go get her! Ah! Oh shit, I fucking missed! Yeah, I did that. I knew I was mind gaming on some of those. Who want to be on my COA team? Wait, I have excitement! I don't have my door. Oh no, bitch, I'm losing. That's it. It's not fun. You know what? I have to go find someone. What? I forgot. What? Why did I do that? My big ass son got in there. You know what? Go back. Go back. I need someone dead. Go back. What's here? Oh, Painter, Painter. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna murder you. Away! Yeah! Yeah! Okay, but she did though. Come on, kitty, give me some powers. Go, go, kitty, go, kitty. Oh, I can't jump. Very nice, get your booty. Oh my god, my own cross betrayed me. Oh, wow, you trying to kite over there? I don't think so, honey. Oh, shit, she is fast as fuck. She's fast as fuck. Go, kitty, go. Go, kitty. Go, kitty. Wow. Is it looking bad? I don't know, y'all. Okay, who the fuck is... Where are you? You know what? Fuck it. Where is she? I don't know. Maybe it's not going. Maybe it's someone else. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Hello? Oh! My blind eye. Come on. Come on! Come on! Oh, hell no, bro. Oh, Get him! Oh! Get him! Yeah, now I'm decoding though. Now. Go! Go! Fucking bitch ass. Oh, I ain't going after her. Oh, hell no, I'm not going after her. Y'all, fucking not. Wait. Where are you? Oh, brother. Oh, hell no, bro. Let me fuck up. This fucking... Don't fucking pop it, mid-eyes. Don't fucking pop it. Don't you dare. Okay. Don't you dare now. Oh, it's ready. It is ready. Should I do it? Okay. It's not gonna make it though. It's not. Fuck it. Yeah, it's not gonna make it. I should have waited. I should have fucking waited. But she's going to the other door. Hurry. Come here! Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I know where you're going, little bitch. Do I know why she's that fucking fast?
Wow. Hey.
No fucking way. You're lying. Where the fuck is Dungeon? Why is her going over here? What is she doing?